Clitoria Ternatea, commonly known as Asian pigeonwings, bluebellvine, bluepea, butterfly pea, cordofanpea and Darwinpea, is a plant species belonging to the family Fabaceae. In India, it is revered as a holy flower, used in daily puja rituals. The flowers of this vine were imagined to have the shape of human female genitals, hence the Latin name of the genus, Clitoria, from clitoris. The species name is thought to derive from the city of Ternate in the Indonesian archipelago, from where Linnaeus's specimens originated. Distribution: this plant is native to equatorial Asia, including locations in South Asia and Southeast Asia, but has also been introduced to Africa, Australia and the Americas. Description: it is a perennial herbaceous plant, with elliptic, obtuse leaves. It grows as a vine or creeper, doing well in moist, neutral soil. The most striking feature about this plant is the color of its flowers, a vivid deep blue, solitary, with light yellow markings. They are about 4 cm long and 3 cm wide. Some varieties yield white flowers. The fruits are 5 to 7 cm long, flat pods with 6 to 10 seeds in each pod. They are edible when tender. It is grown as an ornamental plant and as a revegetation species, example in coal mines in Australia, requiring little care when cultivated. As a legume, its roots form a symbiotic association with soil bacteria known as rhizobia, which transform atmospheric N2 into a plant-usable form, a process called nitrogen fixing. Therefore, this plant is also used to improve soil quality through decomposition of nitrogen-rich plant material. Uses culinary use in Southeast Asia. The flower is used as a natural food coloring to color glutinous rice and desserts like the Eurasian putugal. In Kelantan, in the northeast of Peninsular Malaysia, it is an important ingredient in nasi kerabu, giving it its characteristic bluish color. In Burmese and Thai cuisines, the flowers are also dipped in batter and fried. Butterfly pea flower tea is made from the Ternatea flowers and dried lemongrass and changes color depending on what is added to the liquid, with lemon juice turning it purple. In Thailand and Vietnam, this butterfly blue pea flower tea is commonly mixed with honey and lemon to increase acidity and turn the beverage a pink-purple color, to produce for a drink usually served after dinner, or as a refreshment at hotels and spas. The drink is a typical local drink like chamomile tea is in other parts of the world. The tea is found in both hot and cold varieties. The flowers have more recently been used in a color-changing gin. Blue in the bottle, it turns pink when mixed with a carbonated mixer such as tonic water due to the change in pH. As organic colors are not permanent, this type of gin is recommended to be stored in a dark place to maintain the effect. Nutrients in butterfly pea flower. Butterfly pea flowers are rich in anthocyanin compounds called ternatans, which give the plant its vibrant hue. Test tube studies suggest that ternatans can alleviate inflammation and may prevent cancer cell growth. Additionally, the plant contains several other antioxidants, including kaempferol. This compound has been studied extensively for its cancer-fighting properties. Test tube studies indicate that it may kill off pea coumaric acid. Some research suggests that pea coumaric acid could have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antiviral effects, which may help protect against disease. 5-glucoside. According to one study, this antioxidant may help stimulate immune function and cause cell death in colorectal cancer cells. Traditional medicine. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine, it is ascribed with various qualities including memory enhancing, nootropic, antistress, anxiolytic, antidepressant, anticonvulsant, tranquilizing, and sedative properties. In traditional Chinese medicine, the plant has been ascribed properties affecting female libido. due to its similar appearance to the female reproductive organ. Using its extract have also shown its ability to reduce intensity of behavior caused by serotonin and acetylcholine. Textile use. The flower can be used to dye natural fibers and is used by traditional societies in Asia to do so. Benefits of butterfly pea plant: improve eyesight. Clitoria Ternatea contains an antioxidant called proanthocyanidin, which increases blood flow to the capillaries of the eyes, useful in treatment of glaucoma, blurred vision, retinal damage or tired eyes. Improve hair growth. Rich in bioflavonoids. Butterfly pea can promote hair growth and reduce graying of hair. Improve skin. Butterfly pea's antioxidants stimulate collagen and elastin synthesis, which helps rejuvenate the skin and lessen wrinkles and other signs of aging. Aphrodisiac. Butterfly pea has been traditionally used as an aphrodisiac, particularly for women, and used to treat menstruation problems or white vaginal discharge. Antioxidant flavonoids. Anthocyanins and phenolic compounds in butterfly pea flowers activate antioxidant activity, which helps decrease oxidative stress caused by disease-causing and aging-free radicals. Nootropic. Butterfly pea has been shown to enhance cognitive function and boost brain function. Diuretic. Butterfly pea promotes normal urination, which in turn lowers blood pressure. Analgesic. Clitoria Ternatea has been used traditionally as a local anesthetic, as it has been shown to help relieve pain and swelling. Anxiolytic. Butterfly pea has a calming effect on the body, reducing stress and anxiety. Anti-inflammatory. The deep indigo flowers contain flavonoids. Found in almost all fruits and vegetables, flavonoids are powerful antioxidants with anti-inflammatory and immune system benefits. Anti-asthmatic. It is used in common cold, cough and asthma, as it acts as an expectorant and reduces the irritation of respiratory organs. Anti-anxiety and depression. Indications are that IgH doses of butterfly pea may be adaptogenic, helping the body deal with stressor. Anti-diabetic. Butterfly pea has shown to inhibit glucose intake from the diet. Anti-HIV. Butterfly pea is one of the few herbs to contain cyclotides, which have exhibited anti-HIV effects in studies. Anti-cancer and anti-tumor. Clitoria ternatea's cyclotides can cause cancer cell death by disrupting cell membrane integrity. Antimicrobial. In several Indian studies, butterfly pea exhibited significant antimicrobial effects against Staphylococcus aureus. Anticonvulsant. Butterfly pea has been shown to help reduce the severity and stress on the body from convulsions, useful in treating epilepsy. Antipyretic. Clitoria ternatea can help reduce fever by dilating the blood vessels right beneath the skin, whereby air can cool the blood easier. Potential health benefits of butterfly pea flower. Butterfly pea flowers may be associated with several health benefits. Supports skin and hair health. Cosmetic manufacturers boast about butterfly pea flowers' effectiveness in everything from skin care serums to hair mists and shampoos. According to a 2021 study, butterfly pea extract may increase your skin hydration by 70% 1 hour after topical application. In 2012, animal study found that butterfly pea extract may be more effective at promoting hair growth than minoxidil, which is a common product used to treat hair loss. Butterfly pea flower contains a rich array of antioxidants, which may also be beneficial for promoting hair and skin health. Still, more research is needed to fully understand how butterfly pea flower may affect your hair and skin. May promote weight loss. Some studies even suggest that butterfly pea flower may aid in weight loss efforts. One test tube study suggests that butterfly pea flower extract may slow the formation of fat cells by regulating certain pathways involved in cell progression. Some older test tube and animal studies have found that ternatins, which are found in butterfly pea flower, may also block the synthesis of fat cells in your body. Further research is necessary to evaluate how butterfly pea flower may impact your weight, especially when worked into your diet. Stabilizes blood sugar levels. Studies indicate that butterfly pea flower may reduce your risk of diabetes and related symptoms. For instance, one study in 15 men showed that drinking a beverage containing butterfly pea flower extract increased antioxidant levels and reduced blood sugar and insulin levels, despite the sugar levels in the drink. Moreover, an animal study found that administering butterfly pea flower extract to rats with diabetes significantly reduced their blood sugar levels compared with a control group. One study even reported that the antioxidant properties of butterfly pea flower may protect against cell damage and complications related to diabetes. However, additional studies are needed to determine how butterfly pea flower may impact your long-term blood sugar control. Does butterfly pea flower have any side effects? Nutritionists generally consider butterfly pea flower safe when consumed in moderation. There are some anecdotal reports of side effects like nausea, stomach pain, and diarrhea following consumption of butterfly pea flower, but there is no research to support these effects. However, if you have underlying health conditions or are taking any medications, you should talk with your doctor before using butterfly pea flower or other herbal products.